Now, Honorable Senator. Order, Honorable Senators, we have not suspended the standing orders.
Rasmi kisha ratiba ya siku
The result of the division indicates that the motion has been negatived. Consequently, the impeachment hearing hereby terminates.
We must draw boundaries, create respect within each other, and know that we have been given a mandate for 5 years to deliver for the people of Kericho. And once that 5 years is done, we go back to the people and they will make a decision whether we did right for them, because all these things come from God.
Tunamshukuru sana, Gavana amerudi kazi, tuko na furaha sana. Ama namna gani? Tumeridhishwa na kamati ya seneti. Vile sasa wamefanya uamuzi, tunaambia Mutai 10 bila break.